Hello friends, today I am back with a new recipe, Ragi or finger millet steamed cakes. This is done with the help of banana leaves. Ragi is also called nachni, that is the finger millet. So here I have taken about 250 grams of ragi powder or finger millet powder, and I am making a paste just with a pinch of salt. We add the water slowly and just make it to a smooth flowing consistency. Ragi is a gluten-free millet. It is deep red in color. It's a staple food in Asia and Africa. And now I am boiling some bananas. These are large plantains or bananas found in the southern part of India, in the state of Kerala. It is used for making chips and other things. So I have boiled them or steamed them, and here I have taken the last of the banana leaf found in my garden. So it has got some brownish part. I can't help it because of the freeze. Here I am grating some jaggery. The jaggery comes in a large bulk piece. So I'm just grating it to add it to the recipe. So I just remove the skin of the steamed plantains and mash it a little. These bananas or plantains are used for making chips, or it is eaten cooked or raw. It is very healthy and it has got lots of benefits. So here I have removed the skin and I am just going to mash it a little to make the stuffings for the steamed cake. So you can see it is easily mashed up now. This finger millet is very good for weight management as it has got lots of fiber. It is also good to keep the body relaxed, helps in anxiety, depression, insomnia. Here I am adding some coconut, grated coconut fresh. Mix it a little, and these are the cumin seeds. These are added in the recipe. Finger millets is a good source of vitamin C, E, calcium, protein, iron and antioxidants. Here I am adding some roasted cumin powder, about a teaspoon, and also half a teaspoon of cardamom powder for the fragrance. Mix it all up. The finger millet is a very good source of protein. It has got antimicrobial properties, keeps the body young, it reduces bad cholesterol and helps in cardiovascular disease. I just added a teaspoon of semolina. Now mix it all up, and our stuffing for the steamed cake is ready. The finger millet is also used and consumed in different forms. We make flour out of it. It can be eaten sweet or salty. Here I am just putting the paste on the leaf, banana leaf. Just spread it a little. You can see the paste is a flowing consistency. Spread it well, and now put the stuffing on that. And just cover the banana leaf like this. And now you can steam it, and our cake is ready. So there are different forms of finger millet which is consumed in India. You can also make a porridge out of it. You can make sweets, desserts, malt. You can make crepes. So many forms, and it's a very, very healthy superfood which is mostly consumed by farmers and poor people. But it's a very healthy dish. So I'm making it for my breakfast. So just close it like this. And now in a pan I'm taking some water for steaming the steam cakes. So we'll just steam it for about 15 minutes and our breakfast is ready. It's a very simple, easy but healthy superfood. This is very often made in the south of India. This is one of their staple breakfast food. So just place the banana leaves with the finger millet and the stuffing on the steamer, and let's bake it for about 15 minutes. Now you can see a steamed cake is ready. We'll just take it out, cool it, and then we can have it. We can serve it as it is, or if you want you can serve it with some ice cream or dessert or coconut or any way you like it. You can see how nicely it has come out. This is the easy way of doing it with the banana leaves. It cooks well with the banana leaves. The banana leaves also gives some flavor and fragrance to the steam cake. That is why it is so important. So you can now enjoy this superfood. I hope you like my video. Please do try it at your homes. Let me know if you like the recipe, and please do subscribe and like my channel. Now we'll cut it into pieces. I just want to show you the stuffing, how it has come. This can be done with wheat or rice or any other flour you like, but this ragi flour or finger millet is a very super healthy flour, so I used it. You can see the stuffings. So ragi with coconut and jaggery and banana is a superfood. Thank you all for watching.